from the north of Spain. Just arrived here in this beautiful country just about 4 hours ago in Madrid, and rented a car and drove northwards towards the province of Asturias, where I'm located right now. The mountain chain around here is called Picos de Europa, the Peaks of Europe. And my destination right now is the city of Oviedo, where I'm going to be staying for a couple of days. And it's kind of neat, actually. It's beautiful. I don't know if this is a natural lake here or if it's actually a dam. It looks like a dam. When you go to very high mountains, I think they reach up to about 400 meters. And they're just about maybe 60 to 80 kilometers away from the northern coastline of Spain on the Atlantic side. And I just had to stop here because the views are just phenomenal from here. Let me